Don't be conformed to the patterns of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your minds. Romans 12:2. Hey everyone, it's your girl Adana Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how to get this rhinestone look. You know, you guys can just get on into it right here. And if you guys want to know how I got this look, just make sure you guys stay tuned and continue to watch. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And let me guys know what you guys think in the comments below. Okay, y'all, so I already did my whole face. As you guys can see. A little glowage. Okay. The shade T. You guys can see. And my Turkish Delight palette from Makeup Revolution. And I'm just going to blend that in right here, just to give a little transition color. And then you guys, I wanted to go for this purple look, so I have this Urban Decay like loose eyeshadow, and it's called Rockstar, and it's a very pretty purple. It's like really dark, as you guys can see. And I'm just gonna blend that along my up here on my almost near my brow bone. Blending it, and you really don't need to worry about the line that you're gonna do, because I'm gonna cover those up with the rhinestones. So yeah, I just want to bring it kind of up a little bit. I think that's cute. This is my LA Pro Girl White Concealer. I'm just gonna do a slight cut crease. I want to know the look, any other looks or suggestions y'all might want to see from me. So just let me know in the where the comments are in the comment section below, and just let me know what kind of content y'all would like to see from me. This shade right here, this purple. And this is an old palette, y'all, but this is a Wet n Wild palette. And I remember y'all used to know these used to be the days to help guide y'all, because it has like the crease, the eyes, where to put it. So I'm just gonna take this little light purple shade. It doesn't have the name of the shade. Wait. Magnesium Violet? Yeah. This brush to pack it on. Next, what I'm gonna do again is I'm gonna do kind of almost another cut crease, I think. I'm gonna go ahead and do another cut crease, but like a smaller one. So I'm taking some of this purple glitter right here. I don't know what palette this is. Guilty Pleasures. I forgot where I got this from, but I've had this for a minute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add that where, just for a tad bit of sparkle. Just add it where I added that purple at. I'm just going to add some purple from my JUVIAS Masquerade palette in the shade Makita. And this color is really pretty. I think it'll give that purple pop that I want. I'm just gonna go ahead and pat that on. Actually, a trick that you can use is you can spray your brush to get some more pigment. And then go ahead and put it on your lid. I wanted to add some of my glitter right in that second cut crease that I cut it. And I just wanted to add a little bit of glitter. So I'm just gonna take that same shade and go ahead and go with it underneath my eye. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is be adding some white eyeliner on my waterline. And I just got this eyeliner from your local beauty supply store. So what I'm doing is just adding on my waterline. And next, I'm just gonna take these rhinestones. I had got these from Walmart. They were about $1, and they're already have adhesive on them. So I'm just gonna take the adhesive and just go ahead and start working. Yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. It's very dramatic, which that's what I wanted. I wanted dramatic. So I decided to put bigger rhinestones on my lid because I want it to be dramatic, okay? Because I'm dramatic, period. So I'm just gonna take some, take this glitter glue and add some on my lid. Go ahead and put it enough amount. Okay, I'll just spread it on my whole lid. And I think what I want to do is add some highlight in my corner eye because I want a little gold in the corner of my eye. So I'm just going to add some of the shade the Higher in my Masquerade palette by JUVIAS Place. I'm just going to go ahead and add that in. I'm going to go ahead and add some highlight right there. So this is the look of the eye so far. And I like it because it's my favorite highlighter, the Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline. So I'm just gonna add that highlighter on top. Just wanted to add some extra rhinestones like on the side of my face. On the side of my face just to give it a more dramatic look. going to go ahead and take my hard candy kit using the lip liner and matte lipstick, and I'm just going to go ahead and outline my lips. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do just the inner corner of my lip. So with my purple hard candy lipstick, and gonna put it in the middle. And y'all, this is the finished look. I like it. I think it's really pretty. And you guys can see I added the rhinestones right here. All right, thank you guys for watching my tutorial on this rhinestone look, and I hope you guys have a blessed and highly favored day. I love you guys. Thank you for your support. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. And yes.